So we know Auckland is a magic place to live, but have we found that magic up on the stage?
My act is Andre Vegas and company. Started off when I was about 12 years old and been performing ever since. My first public show was at the age of 14. Without giving too much away, I'm a bit of a horror fan. I've got a horror collection. I'm quite into that sort of thing. If we don't get through, we give it a go. We'll give it a go. I mean, I'm going to do what we do. Hope you like it.
What's your name?
Andre Vegas, the Illusionist.
Cool name.
Oh, and this is Bubba, by the way.
Bubba. And I notice
Right.
you've got 3 chainsaws there, so I'm scared and freaking out already. Are we good? Are we good with this? Sweet, man.
I just want to know how you do it. I'm one of those people that wants to know. I love being amazed, and I was amazed by that. And it was quick.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
Andre, that was shocking, offbeat, horrible,
Thank you very much.
grotesque, bad taste. I loved it.
That was very, very cool. Excited, yes.
That's a yes from me.
I'm a convinced yes.
All right. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. You're through to the next round.
How do they do it? How do they do it?
How do they do it?